As the digital world continues to grow, more and more states and countries are looking to create their own digital currencies. While many are focused on creating a digital version of their national currency, Texas is taking a different approach. Texas lawmakers have introduced a bill that would create a gold-backed digital currency, a move that could change the game for cryptocurrencies. Introduction to the gold-backed digital currency. The gold-backed digital currency is a new type of cryptocurrency that is backed by actual gold. This means that for every unit of the currency that is created, there is a corresponding amount of gold that is held in reserve. This makes the currency more stable than other cryptocurrencies, which can fluctuate wildly in value. The idea of a gold-backed currency is not new, but it has never been implemented in a digital format before. The use of gold as a backing for currency has a long history, dating back to the days of the gold standard. The gold standard was a system in which the value of a country's currency was directly tied to the value of gold. This system was used by many countries until the mid-20th century, when it was abandoned in favor of fiat currencies. Benefits of a gold-backed digital currency. There are several benefits to using a gold-backed digital currency. First and foremost, it provides stability. Because the currency is backed by gold, its value is tied to a tangible asset that has a long history of being a stable store of value. This makes the currency less susceptible to wild fluctuations in value, which can be a problem with other cryptocurrencies. Secondly, a gold-backed digital currency could provide a hedge against inflation. When the value of a currency declines, the price of goods and services increases. By backing a currency with gold, the value of the currency is less likely to be affected by inflation. This means that people who hold the currency would be less likely to see the value of their savings eroded over time. Finally, a gold-backed digital currency could provide a level of privacy that is not currently available with traditional currencies. Because the currency is digital, transactions can be conducted anonymously, which could make it attractive to people who value their privacy. The Texas Plan. The Texas Plan for a gold-backed digital currency is based on two bills, Senate Bill 2334 and House Bill 4903. These bills would require the state controller to establish a digital currency that is fully backed by gold and fully redeemable in cash or gold. The bills are sponsored by State Senator Brian Hughes and State Representative Mark D'Orazio, both Republicans. The bills have been introduced in response to concerns about the creation of a U.S. dollar-based central bank digital currency, CBDC. The legislators believe that a gold-backed digital currency would provide a more stable alternative to a CBDC. The potential impact. The creation of a gold-backed digital currency by a state government could have a significant impact on the world of cryptocurrencies. If successful, it could provide a model for other states and countries to follow. It could also provide a new level of competition for existing cryptocurrencies, which could lead to a shift in the market. The creation of a gold-backed digital currency could also have implications for the global economy. If more states and countries start to adopt gold-backed digital currencies, it could lead to a shift away from fiat currencies. This could have a significant impact on the value of the US dollar, which is currently the dominant currency in the world. How the gold-backed digital currency works. The gold-backed digital currency works by creating units of digital currency that are backed by an equivalent amount of gold. For example, if 1 unit of the currency is created, then there must be 1 unit of gold held in reserve. This creates a stable and reliable currency that is less prone to volatility than other cryptocurrencies. The currency can be bought and sold just like any other cryptocurrency, but its value is tied to the price of gold. This means that the value of the currency will rise and fall with the price of gold, which tends to be more stable than other currencies. The importance of gold in the currency. The use of gold as a backing for currency has a long history, dating back to ancient times. Gold has long been considered a valuable and stable asset, and it has been used as a store of value for centuries. Gold is also a finite resource, which means that its supply is limited. This makes it a valuable asset that is unlikely to lose its value over time. By using gold as a backing for the currency, the state of Texas is creating a currency that is backed by a tangible asset that has proven to be reliable over time. Why Texas is choosing a gold-backed digital currency. The state of Texas is choosing to create a gold-backed digital currency for several reasons. First and foremost, the currency provides a stable and reliable alternative to other cryptocurrencies. Because the currency is backed by gold, its value is less likely to fluctuate wildly, which can be a problem with other cryptocurrencies. Secondly, the currency provides a level of privacy that is not currently available with traditional currencies. Because the currency is digital, transactions can be conducted anonymously, which could make it attractive to people who value their privacy. Finally, the currency provides a hedge against inflation. When the value of a currency declines, the price of goods and services increases. By backing the currency with gold, the state of Texas is creating a currency that is less likely to be affected by inflation, which could help to protect the savings of people who hold the currency. Potential impacts on the cryptocurrency market. The creation of a gold-backed digital currency by the state of Texas could have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market. If the currency is successful, it could provide a model for other states and countries to follow. This could lead to a shift away from fiat currencies and towards cryptocurrencies that are backed by tangible assets. The creation of a gold-backed digital currency could also provide a new level of competition for existing cryptocurrencies. This could lead to a shift in the market as people look for currencies that provide greater stability and reliability. Potential impacts on the global economy. If more states and countries start to adopt gold-backed digital currencies, it could have a significant impact on the global economy. This could lead to a shift away from fiat currencies, which could lead to a decline in the value of the US dollar. This could have implications for the global financial system, as the US dollar is currently the dominant currency in the world. If the value of the US dollar were to decline, it could lead to a shift in power away from the United States and towards other countries. Conclusion. The creation of a gold-backed digital currency by the state of Texas is a bold move that could change the game for cryptocurrencies. By backing the currency with gold, the state is creating a currency that is more stable and reliable than other cryptocurrencies. If successful, the currency could provide a model for other states and countries to follow. This could lead to a shift away from fiat currencies and towards cryptocurrencies that are backed by tangible assets. Overall, the creation of a gold-backed digital currency by the state of Texas is an important development that could have significant impacts on the cryptocurrency market.